Guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's a beautiful Saturday morning and it is the time for the mobile setup. Trading strategy for mobile setup because it's a Saturday morning, it's the weekend, and that is when we usually do focus more on the mobile setup. Okay, so we will be checking out how to trade volatility 75 on the mobile setup. Okay, if you have been looking for such opportunity, then you need to stay tuned and check out this strategy so that you can use it to milk the market successfully for yourself. But before we go fully into that, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. There is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on the real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, first of all, I want to let you know that volatility 75 is one of the most volatile assets right here. Once it is in one direction, you see it going in that direction, it can make a lot of money for you, and at the same time you can also lose quite a lot with it. Okay, so with that you can it means that you need to be very careful and to understand the trend that it is best traded in. That way you will be able to milk the market with it for a very long time. Okay, so quickly, using this strategy, it's going to help you a lot because this strategy will help you to understand the trend, know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, because you will be able to know your support and your resistance level. Okay, so all these are very important. So quickly, for you to follow this strategy, I will like you to have this set up on your chart, on your main chart. Don't worry, we'll focus more on the window indicator in my next video, but on the main chart I'm having the EMA 9 and also EMA 9 and also EMA 20 on it. Okay, so that is it. So once you have that on your main chart, then the next thing you need to do is to take your chart to 15-minute time frame. Okay, this is 15-minute time frame. You can see that it makes sense right here. Okay, so this is what you should look out for. This is what you should look out for, a crossover. Okay, once the EMA 9 is crossing over EMA 20, or if it is crossing it upward, then definitely it is on uptrend. If it is crossing it downward, then definitely it is on downtrend. So that is very important. And so check this out. This is where the crossing happened, and you can see that it shot up for a very long time. It went up for a very long time, and around here it is at a resistance zone. Okay, just the way you have seen it, it is at a resistance zone, and the market is playing around there for a while. So we need it to break out. Already we are expecting it to go back on downtrend because it is at a resistance zone, and it is at a major one at that matter. There are two things that can happen here. It is either it breaks out above the resistance zone or it breaks out below the support zone. If it breaks out below the support zone, that means it will be going back on downtrend, which means the EMA 9 will be crossing downward below the EMA 20, and when that happens, then it will be selling more. Okay, it will be selling more at that particular time. So we should find it selling for a very long time when such thing happens. Okay, and if you should notice, let's go back a bit to see if this some of the things that have happened before. You can see the crossing right here, and it came down. It never crossed back until it got to the support zone, and it crossed back right there, and it went up right from there. So you can see that you can always use it to milk the market for a very long time, except if it is just a pullback. Like what happened there was just a pullback, but these are 15-minute candles, so this is even for a very long time. Okay, this is another crossing upward. You can see it going up. Okay, you can see it going up till it got to this region, right here. Okay, so here is a resistance zone also, just the way we have seen it. So just the way you have seen it right here, you can see it right from here, it started going down. So that is the way it works. You can use this to milk the market for a very long time. Okay, you can see it right here also, that when it crossed here, it went up. Okay, if you follow the instruction, you will always get it right. So you don't need to rush into the market. You need to wait for the right signal before you jump into the market. So right here, it's coming up with another signal. It is either it breaks out above the resistance zone, or it breaks down below the support zone, but it is most likely it breaks down below the support zone. And once that happens, which means right here, it's going to break down here, which means the EMA 9 will cross below the EMA 20, and that means that it will go on downtrend and sell for a very long time. But you need to wait for the clear signal before you jump into the trade. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is how you can do your analysis on the mobile setup, and you can always use it to milk the market for a very long time. Just the way you have seen it, it has been obeying this strategy for a very long time, because a number of you will be asking, okay, for how long have you been using this, and will this work for life? Okay, at least for a while I've been using this, and definitely if you should check it out, this has been happening for a very long time, and it has been following that way for a very long time. So these are simple strategies which you can put into use to milk the market for a very long time, or even for a short period of time, depending on your own personal target. Okay, so that will determine what you want to achieve at the end of the day. So guys, this is how it works. What I want you to do is just to go back to the channel, make sure you understand these strategies very well. Go back to your chart, have this set up on your chart, and try to trade with it. Practice this throughout the day, and let's see how far you are able to go with this strategy. And if it works well for you, you can always contact me. And if you're not getting it right, you can also contact me to let me know, so that I can put you through on the things that you are getting wrong. Okay, so that is how it works. If you are not practicing, you won't get the right way of doing things. Okay, so that is it. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are always in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.